Someone is happy.
Stand up.
Hi, baby. You're doing so good walking. Look at you. Whoops. Whoops. She's looking at me like, could you a little help here?
She's like, where's my horn? I need to honk at someone.
Dad. Look, she's standing up by herself.
She's coming after you.
Hi. Hi, red eyes, yellow nose. Your mama loves you. Stop standing up by yourself. Do you want to go walk again? Look what Daddy's got.
No, she'd rather get in trouble.
Chi-Fei, what did Daddy do? He reset it. Hi! Well, I guess she's done. So I'm going to go the old-fashioned way. Let's see if she'll dance to her ABCs, Dad.
Want to do a celebration dance? Let's try a celebration dance.
Mom did. Threw out her back.
She's too tired, I guess.
She wanted that door.
Sassy, that's not the way to do it. You gotta hurt yourself.
You're going the wrong way. She's off. She's got things to do, Dad. She can't be bothered with us. There she goes. Look at Mama! Oh, boom!
Oops.
Ow!